Good day, it's Carl from Studio Incar. This is Darren's 488 GTB. What a thing. Let's take a quick look around it. This will be a relatively brief video, but this is for you Ferrari owners to sort of show you that it can have an active three-way system in there and a subwoofer. It needn't take up all the space in the world. It needn't look rubbish. We could do all sorts of fabrication in the middle of the rear seats and stuff like that, but it will do nothing for sound, okay? We can make them sound good and livable at the same time. These are really limited on space, but you don't need me to tell you that. Let's have a look around. Nice spec this, love the silver on black. Silver sill, black sill trims and stuff. Looks wicked. As with the majority of our systems, there isn't a single thing on display. All right, you can probably just about pick out the bass knob in the center console there. That'll let him have a little bit of fun when the track gets a little bit more lively. Ordered some Voce three-way in this. So tweeters in the standard location, mid bass in the standard location on our designed brackets. The dash does have to be removed. With the right mindset, it is a simple job, it just takes a long time. The amplifier, because I've just opened the door, you should be able to see his little light. And this is just in a real tidy location, just here. Alright, you can hardly see it. You can see the sub over there behind the driver's seat. I'll take you over there in a second. But you can still load stuff behind these seats. You can still load stuff in front of that amplifier. You know, it's not scared. Of course, all power and loom and everything is in the car. The interior, you know, a fair bit of the interior has to come out. You needn't really be concerned too much about that. We take pride in our sort of skills to remove interiors and put them back, usually better than they were, because not a lot of people have the patience to work on Ferrari. Often Ferrari themselves, you know, so we will get a car and there'll be bolts missing or there'll be bolts under mats or things like that. Things just aren't put back correctly. So we'll try and sort them out along the way. It's gratis and it just makes us feel better and you get a better car in return. Look at this cockpit. I'll hoover it out in a second, but yeah, subwoofer behind the driver's seat. We put this fabric lid, sort of this fabric cover on top of it, not because it touches, but just in case the seat is tilted all the way back, so not really in a driving position, and someone were to slam the seat back, I don't know, for storage or something, they could make that mistake. This is just to limit any damage. In that case, the seat will just touch this fabric and nothing will happen, but from a driving perspective it never gets anywhere near it, as you saw from the other side. Now this system is on at the moment because the system is triggered by the key. It runs off of the factory radio, the factory amplifier supply. In this we've removed, or we haven't removed, but we've replaced the bass amplifier. This isn't a JBL car, this is a standard car, so it has the standard Harman Kardon amplifier in there, the bass system. In that car we can use line level inputs from the radio itself to give us a better signal. The JBL cars are a little trickier, but they can still be done to the same effect. So yeah, they can be done, guys, all right? There are a lot of people that shy away from them, and probably more importantly, there's a lot of people that say they can do them and they'll really struggle with them. Ferraris are more of a mindset thing than they are a skill thing in order to get them apart. And we've just got that right mindset. Clear a load of space. Darren gave us a little bit more time as well, which we didn't sort of ask for mid-job. We just ask at the beginning of every job. If we can have some free time around the job, we always will. We'll always take that, which was nice in this. During a heat wave, productivity has been slightly slower. Talking of heat waves, it is 30 degrees now at 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to keep this short, all right? But yeah, 488 GTB, full three-way active system, using DSP amplifier, using original signal from the radio, not from the amplifier, all right? No pre-processed signal going on here. We want that full fat signal. It all starts at the bottom. It all starts at the foundation. The sound needs to be kept as pure as it can be from the very beginning. And Hertz DBA 201 active sub box as well, so loads of energy, plenty more volume if that's what you're after, but just every single part of the spectrum now sounds better in this car. Yeah, it's a Ferrari. Yeah, we can listen to its engine. Sometimes if we're driving for long periods of time, we want to listen to music. All right, some people like music more than they like engines. That's probably me. Take it easy, guys. I'm Carl's, the studio Incar.